In this tutorial, we will learn how to create, manage, and approve expense claims in Hellobooks. To get started, click on Expense Claim to manage and track business expenses. Now, navigate to the expense creation form to begin adding a new expense claim. Now enter relevant details in required fields. Then, enter spent and account details. Next, click the Details button to add additional expense information. Now enter expense details in Details fields. From here, click the Done button to finalize and save expense details. Next up, click the Save button to submit and save the expense claim. Now select Unclaimed Expense to create expense claim. Afterwards, click Create Expense Claims. Now enter relevant details in claim information. Next, click the Mark as Approved button to submit and approve this expense claim. Now click the Awaiting Payment. Next, select the Claims to record payment. Then, click the Record Payment button. Now enter amount in Payment Amount field. After that, enter details in required fields, including payment account and method. Following this, review the selected claim details and payment amount before submission. Next, click Save and Record Payment to finalize the incoming payment transaction. Review the payment confirmation to verify the expense claim has been fully processed,